I am facing difficulty while talking also. If you come to Gangtok, do not miss it. We are back from our East Sikkim trip, which was not so good, to be honest. I didn't like it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Travel with Sonali. Today we are heading to East Sikkim and I have a bit of an interesting journey to share with you all. Initially मेरा प्लान था शेयरिंग कैब से जाने का by paying 1200 each to cover Nathula Pass, Changu Lake and बाबा हरभजन सिंह मंदिर, including all the necessary permits जैसे मैंने last video में भी explain किया था. That for East Sikkim, sharing cab is a better option for budget travelers. But here's the twist in my story. कल रात मुझे मेरे ट्रैवल एजेंट का कॉल आया और उन्होंने मुझे प्राइवेट कार ऑफर किया फॉर 3,500 रुपीज. सेम स्पॉट्स, सेम परमिट, बट वे मोर कंफर्टेबल फॉर मी एंड माई फैमिली ऑफ 3. I thought, why not? This is going to be a smooth and epic trip. But little did I know कि यहाँ कुछ गड़बड़ है. And this गड़बड़ you will come to know in later part of the video.
East Sikkim में there are 3 spots to visit. One is Nathula Pass, बाबा हरभजन सिंह मंदिर and Changu Lake, which is Sommo Lake. तो due to heavy snowfall, Nathula Pass is closed. आर्मी वाले सब रिटर्न बेच रहे हैं गाड़ियों को. तो लेट्स सी, होपफुली देखने को मिल सकता है. नहीं मिला तो वी विल बी जस्ट कवरिंग दीज 2 places and then we'll go back to our hotel.
Finally, we start our journey, and I am triple excited and also a little sad because it's my last day in Sikkim. आधा रास्ता कवर करने के बाद हमें पता चलता है कि नाथुला पास is closed due to heavy snowfall. Now I'm not gonna lie, but I am still excited for the other 2 spots. I mean, come on, snow-covered mountains, cool breeze, and the beautiful East Sikkim. It's all worth it, right? सिक्किम के बारे में मैं क्या ही बोलूं, बिकॉज मैं जहाँ भी जाऊँ मैं बस चौंक जाती हूँ कि कोई जगह इतनी खूबसूरत कैसे हो सकती है. बीट गैंगटॉक, नॉर्थ सिक्किम या फिर ईस्ट सिक्किम, दीज रोड्स आर एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटीफुल, सराउंडेड बाय माउंटेन्स, कोल्ड एयर एंड क्लाउड्स सो क्लोज दैट यू ऑलमोस्ट फील लाइक यू कैन टच देम. Now here starts the real drama. My driver took a permit of 15 mile. मैं थोड़ी confused थी initially, but still हम आगे बढ़ते गए. And as we approached, we had to stop at this place where they rent out jackets, snow boots and gloves. We rented 3 long jackets and 3 snow boots for 900 rupees. Sounds fair, right? Well, we were all pumped, ready for those beautiful views of East Sikkim. But then, shocker. As we almost reach 15 mile, my driver drops the bombshell. Nathula Pass, Baba Harbhajan Singh Mandir and Changu Lake all are closed because of the snow. And guess what? Sharing और private cars सिर्फ 15 mile तक ही जा रही थी. अभी मुझे सब समझ में आया. Now I'm really angry. I can't even express how frustrated I am right now. इट्स लाइक उन्हें सब पता था पहले से कि तीनों स्पॉट्स बंद है ड्यू टू स्नोफॉल, बट स्टिल दे वांट टू मेक मनी, चार्जिंग फॉर रेंटेड क्लोथ्स एंड स्टिल टेकिंग टूरिस्ट देयर, नोइंग फुल वेल नो वंस गोना गेट टू सी द एक्चुअल स्पॉट्स. आई लिटरली फेल्ट लाइक आई वाज स्कैम्ड. अगर वो मुझे पहले बता देते तो मैं ईस्ट सिक्किम जाती ही नहीं. कार, रेंटेड क्लोथ्स, सबका पैसा बच जाता, राइट? But they read every traveler's mind, I guess. That's why they don't inform you in the beginning. So here's a word of advice to everyone watching my video. Always confirm with your travel agent if the spots are open, twice if you want to. I wish मैं ये कर लेती. It's always a better choice to double check. Trust me, you don't want to go through what I did.
So as you can see, some people are literally walking and going there. But इसके लिए बहुत चढ़ना पड़ेगा. And I literally cannot walk in this jacket and this gum boot. It's very difficult to walk. So yeah, यहीं से spot enjoy कर लेते हैं.
जूता लेके जाओ.
But we can explore this bridge.
अच्छा हुआ जूता चेंज कर दिया.
स्नो शूज़ लेने का एक तो फ़ायदा हुआ. Only if you have snowshoes, then only they are allowing to enter this bridge. Okay, so let's go. Only if you have snow boots, then only you can enter this bridge. And this is the river. If you want yak ride, तो आप ये भी कर सकते हो यहाँ पे. भैया कितना याक का? 100 रुपीज़.
Let's not forget to appreciate the beauty of 15 Mile. It's still a beautiful place to visit, even though the whole situation wasn't ideal. हमने यहाँ मोमोज भी खाए. Now seriously, नॉर्थ ईस्ट आके मोमोज नहीं खाया तो क्या ही खाया. Sometimes you just have to make the most of where you are.
मेरा कार रुका है वहाँ पे, somewhere there. So from there, इतना walk करके, I've come here. So now I'll go there. Let's see क्या view मिलता है. आगे भी जा सकते हो, but I'm not going there. Yeah, this view is very peaceful. I am facing difficulty while talking also because यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन का थोड़ा है प्रॉब्लम and I can feel the numbness हाथ में on my face. So, या जहाँ पे है वहीं का मज़ा लेता है. So my day 3 concludes here on this spot and I am not happy, but can't do anything. You have to adjust with the situation. So now I'm going back after this spot, but those 2 places were decided, but वो नहीं हुआ. So I'm going to talk to him and let's see what happens. I have completed my Lachung trip and it was the best actually. The place was really good. I had good experience, but few moments were there which were disturbing, to be honest. When we were coming back, there was a check post and the army person, he was checking each and every car. So even we thought that he's checking for documents and all. He checked, and later when we stopped, he checked and he asked us that there's a guy, there's a military guy जिनके घर में सडन डेथ हुआ था एंड उनको लिफ्ट चाहिए था जस्ट टू गो टू सम पॉइंट जहाँ से उनको कल नेक्स्ट डे उनका फ़्लाइट था 10 बजे, तो उनको पहुँचना था ऑन टाइम. सो ही सेड कि उन्होंने एटलीस्ट 40 कार वालों को पूछा कि वो उनको लिफ्ट दे सकते हैं या नहीं, बट एवरीवन रिफ्यूज्ड. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. सो व्हेन ही आस्क्ड अस and my reaction was like, yes, I will give you lift because आप इतना करते हो हमारे लिए, obviously इतना छोटा help के लिए तो we should help them, right? So you know, I was actually shocked with the reaction, you know, people gave them that they did not help that person. It was very shocking because इतना border पे इतना ठंड में रह के they protect us, they do lot of things for us, and just for, you know, छोटे चीज़ के लिए we cannot help them. So it is very disturbing. So you know, जो कोई भी मेरा वीडियो देख रहा है, जो भी है, just please do not ignore them. And उनको अगर help चाहिए, those are army people, they protect us. If they need help, you should help them. Okay, so please at least follow that.
On our way back, I was a bit down, but then I remembered, जहाँ हो बस वहीं का मजा लो. This has become my life mantra. So I tried to calm down and enjoy the experience. And you know what? It worked. हमने फिर उसी जगह जाके लंच किया जहाँ से जैकेट्स रेंट किए थे. And let me tell you, the food was delicious. Seriously, it was a total comfort meal after such a long day. So after a bit of a bumpy ride, we reached Gangtok in the late afternoon. We had some free time, so we decided to check out the famous Gangtok ropeway.
You'll find many places in local Gangtok like Hanuman Tok, Ganesh Tok, Ropeway, and there are some monasteries also, so you can visit there. But I don't have much time because today I covered East Sikkim, so and tomorrow morning I'm leaving for Darjeeling. I did not wanted to miss Ropeway, so I just went for Ropeway. I'll be sharing those shots in my video, so you'll really love it. And if you come to Gangtok, do not miss Ropeway. If it's foggy, then it's okay if you miss, but if it's not foggy, you have to go for it. So we are back from our East Sikkim trip, which was not so good, to be honest. I didn't like it, but now we are at the Ropeway Gangtok and we will be going there, so let's see.
Ropeway is a must-visit ride in Gangtok and is one of the highlights of the city. What a beautiful view of the city. These houses, roads, buildings, clouds, Ati Sundar. I feel like I'm living in a movie scene. Beautiful. This is the beauty of Gangtok and I am glad we came here. But hey, the adventure doesn't end here. Tomorrow we are heading for Darjeeling. Can't wait to take you all along for the journey too. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. See you next time with more travel stories. Until then, keep exploring and keep traveling.